ये इतना बड़ा करेक्टर मेरे ख्याल से जीवन का सबसे बड़ा करेक्टर किसी भी अभिनेता के लिए, किसी अभिनेत्री के लिए मिलता है।
हाँ जी।
तो क्या आपको अनुभव था, वो शेयर करें हमारे लोगों के साथ।
पहले थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लेटिंग इट सिंक इन दैट मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती थी, पर अगर मैंने कुछ गलती से बोल दिया तो माफ़ कीजिए। इट्स नॉट ईजी फॉर एक्टर्स टू गेट रोल्स लाइक दिस, बिकॉज एक भगवान, एक गॉडेस को प्ले करने के लिए इतना एक इजी काम नहीं होता है। एक टीम होनी चाहिए who is putting their heart and soul into making it the best version of what they can present to the world, because it becomes itihas, it becomes history for the rest of the world to think go back to in the future. So ऐसे एक project में मुझे चुनने के लिए thank you so much. And when it comes to playing Sita Ma, I don't think I chose the role. I think I was blessed to play this role, because it's not something that you can go after, and it is not something that you can write down on a piece of paper and say, this is how I'm going to play. I would just sit and meditate and say, Sita Ma, you act through me. Whatever comes through me is what you want for the film. And I was always keeping myself as pure as possible, at least in my thoughts, to keep it very neutral so that I have the best version of me presenting there. And उस कोशिश में मुझे लगा कि मैं बहुत कुछ सीख लिया। ठीक लगा।
Going good.
Thank you. I think from what we saw right now, and today is a very important day for all of us, because I've worked on the film for maybe 3 years, but they've all been on the project for more than
almost 10
years now. So इस दिन बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है हम सब के लिए। So I'm as excited and as humbled, and I think it's a very important day for all of us. Thank you so much for sharing this day with us. And finally, I
want to say, I want Nitesh sir to tell us a little bit about Ram and Sita as he saw them, because he has directed you all on set. And I know that he was very clear when we used to have our discussions about casting. I think in his mind, to have you play Sita and to have him play Ram, as him being Ranbir, play Ram, was his first choice. And I only say one thing, that, and I think he and I share this sentiment, that we have actually got people that we have felt would be the best, and people who have for some reason not connected with us on this film have brought other people into the film that have equally done a terrific job. But sir, I want you to tell everybody how you imagined them and why you were always enthusiastic about her playing Sita and Ranbir playing Ram.
मेरा ये एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियन है ये मेरी, कि एक कलाकार की आंखें सच बोल देती हैं, और मुझे हमेशा से ये लगा कि रणबीर की आंखों में मुझे श्री राम दिखाई दिए और साई की आंखों में मुझे सीता माता दिखाई दी, और मतलब अपार्ट फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ देम बीइंग एक्सट्रीमली गिफ्टेड एंड एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड, I just felt that the kind of sincerity I was looking for, the kind of preparation I wanted the characters to go through to play such important roles, I could have found only in these two beautiful souls.
Thanks.
And I am so happy. I can't tell you, when you guys come and watch the film, मुझे साई नहीं दिखाई देती, मुझे सीता माता दिखाई देती है, मुझे रणबीर नहीं दिखाई देते, मुझे श्री राम दिखाई देते हैं वहाँ पे, क्योंकि इनकी आंखों में मुझे सच्चाई दिखाई देती है, और वही उन लोगों ने पूरी कोशिश की है पर्दे पर उतारने की। दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और अब मैं